kakainin ko guys yung ito. Parang yung sones lang siya. Pero this is really yummy. Okay, so let's start eating guys. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pherl TV. It's me again, Pherl. Welcome to my channel again, and welcome to Pherl TV. So for this video, we're going to do a fruit mukbang. Okay, this time we will be consuming tropical fruit, which is very healthy. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna let you know that the fruit that I'm about to do mukbang with is the mangosteen. Okay. This mangosteen is given to me by my sister-in-law, okay? And my spouse brought this here last Saturday, okay? According to my spouse, it is my sister-in-law who buy all this mangosteen for us, who pay for the mangosteen, okay? And today, we will consume this and we will check if how many mangosteen can I eat in 5 minutes, okay? So join with me guys! And if you are just new to this channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to see more mukbang videos of fruits in this channel, okay? And for your information guys, my channel is about health, wellness, culinary, and many more. And the topmost concentration of my channel is about health. So that is why from time to time, I keep on spreading good news, like eating healthy fruits, for us to achieve a healthy body. Okay, so let's start. But guys, before we start the mukbang, I'm gonna let you know the 11 health benefits of eating mangosteen. Okay, what are the benefits of mangosteen? So I researched, I checked from Google. Okay, this is an article written by Ansley Hill. Okay, that's March 6, 2019. Okay. So in this article, she stated the 11 benefits of eating mangosteen. And number one health benefits accordingly is highly nutritious, okay? Very low in calories yet provide many essential nutrients like calories, carbs, fiber, fat, protein, vitamin C, vitamin B9 folate, vitamin B1 thiamine, vitamin B2 riboflavin, manganese, copper, and magnesium. Okay? Number 2, accordingly, mangosteen is rich in powerful antioxidant. Okay? Antioxidants, accordingly, are compounds that neutralize the damaging effect on potentially harmful molecules called free radicals, which are linked to various chronic diseases. Okay? So, ayun. Sinasabi nga ng iba na this is anti-cancer accordingly. Okay, sabi dito, mangosteen contains several nutrients which is antioxidant capacity such as vitamin C and folate, and this is perfect for those who are planning to get pregnant with, okay? Plus, it provides xanthones, a unique type of plant compound known to have strong antioxidant properties. Okay? So, number 3, accordingly, may have anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 4, may have anti-cancer effect. Yeah, diba? Totoo, anti-cancer daw talaga to. Kapag nasa province ako, guys, bumibili ako nito para kay mother ko. Nakakabili ako nito sa supermarket, okay? Number 5, this promote loss. Accordingly, number 5, guys, mangosteen helps in promoting weight loss. Oh, sa mga nagpapasexy, bagay ito sa atin. And number 6, supports blood sugar control. Wow. Number 7, promotes a healthy immune system. Number 8, helps maintain healthy skin. Wow. Number 9 to 10, other potential health benefits is heart health, brain health, and digestive system health. Yes, si mama ko kasi may heart illness siya. So, from time to time, ito yung nire-request niya. Even when I go back to the province, mangosteen ang pinapasalubong kay mama ko. Okay, so guys, let's start eating the mangosteen and we will check if how many mangosteen can I eat in 5 minutes, okay? So, iyan ko muna siya, guys. I-cut ko muna siya like this. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ba ng mangosteen. Ito guys, sa mangosteen talaga, napaka-healthy nito. Tapos ang iba, binibilad pa to at pinapakuluan, diba? Tara! This is how mangosteen look like, guys. Okay? So, this is very healthy. Anti-cancer. This has an anti-cancer effect, okay? So, I will try to titingnan ko kung makakaubos ako ng 5 pieces in 5 minutes. Oh, may malapit lang nabulok. Oh my God. Kakainin na. Yan. So, yung guys, nagbalat muna ako ng 5 mangosteen. Okay, so, kakainin ko guys yung ito. Parang yung sones lang siya. Pero, this is really yummy. Okay, so let's start eating, guys. So, the challenge, guys, is I will be eating the mangosteen in 5 minutes. This 5 pieces of mangosteen in 5 minutes. Okay, so timer starts now. Medyo ano siya, guys, maasim siya na, no? Maasim siya na matamis. Mahal siya na fruit. Dami ko nagyawad, guys. This is like santol, but the highly expensive kind of santol. So, ayun guys, natapos ko kainin yung 5 piraso in 5 minutes, okay? Masarap siya kasi tama lang yung pagiging sweet and sour ng ano niya. Ay, maasim, no? Maasim, mahatamis. Pero masarap siya. Ganun talaga yung taste niya yun, di ba? So, yun, meron pa ako ditong natitirang 246, okay? It's really delicious, guys. And I hope you would love to consume mangosteen kasi nga, lots of health benefits. So, if you have time and you encounter mangosteen somewhere in the supermarket or in any place like Chinatown, you buy mangosteen, especially in Chinatown. The cost of mangosteen in Chinatown is cheaper compared to mall prices, okay? So, I hope you guys felt inspired in this video to eat more fruits, okay? And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you would love to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to be notified whenever I posted up a new fruit mukbang. Thank you so much, guys. And I want to shout out my VIP member, Ma'am Mochi Mochi Mai, Jojo Twins, Mrs. Sally, Ma'am Lorna Manihani, Sarah's HK, Luis's Vlog, Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. God bless.